ไม่เป็นไรสมส้มไม่เป็นไรสมมันจะมันเสียเด็กไม่พูดเท่าไหร่
ไม่น่า
This is how the picture about the left and the green, right? So watch me now. You from black and maybe you have like maybe another side. You can the apple take them on range. Anyway, you pluck everything come down. So without you know that man is here so then they have to know see they're gonna do to them. Right? So then now right, but you burn them and heat them up. And if you see any panic and red and they have bite to see, then bite from it, let them here.
Oh, okay.
Then bite them from the half green. You take time to catch up and do them. Right? They can red and pretty enough, you know, they're red and pretty. They have to rinse them. So I didn't have a pick. They keep me pick this one, and you pick this one. And then as well, if you put your type up, get me as a job. You put on this money, take it ready cup. More than you have to come over there.
Love that too.
I come to tell you, I come on, I pick some copper on I but if you come out, you get more than this money can come here. Not true?
Yeah, true.
And then nobody now climb. There's nobody now climb, man. Nobody now climb again to walk about up one tree now. You standing go for nothing. The bird then has some little doctor bird sometimes. Some little doctor bird. Now young man, put them back and take it to and pick it up because I can't go. The bird then now make them get the call out. Now a man time it's a smooth, you know. So a man time it's a smooth. I don't know if you just food. You see them together. You see when it close come over. You hardly can't find it because everything look red. But when you pick and come up from that, you know, it's pink. All that now you have the job, that now you're not ready yet. Eh? You know, red, then too red, makes it then too black.
Yeah.
Almost black.
Dark.
And that time then sweet. And then dark. If it may pick and stick up.
Yeah. You get a lot done with it, man.
Yeah, man. But sometimes we can't. You get down too much sometimes, yeah, try to keep one.
Good. In your bag, come.
Yo. Hello. Hello. Yo.
Yeah.
What you know? Put on your bag and hold it. Hold it. You see, they put you under this now. Put you under this. We try to pick him and keep up now. Go. You get the message? Sometimes I did a problem. I did a problem, then do the and then burn.
Okay.
What I do, and then take it time, really. Take it time, when I want to come out here. Now, just really go for me, take it in there. Hold it up. Hold it up. Let me take time, then can shake it. You get that? Come on, I know you.
Down the east.
You try that one there. I think they go to there. Try it. Take a look at them names here. Try that one. I don't look on it, I don't know. I didn't put one and we don't want to know when I'm coming. All this man in the food, this will pick up the house, she come around to. I said, I then jump and go back up more than you put something around bar. And my sister say, I'm not doing them there. You don't climb, sir. You don't climb. You don't climb? Hold it.
Okay, I'm not going to stop.
You do one? Yeah, stop. Say yeah, stop.
No. It's a climb up there, stop.
I don't know what you want to mean. I like you know, have you in a big cup. That's where no,
I can imagine an apple tree like this. Apple tree.
Hey. I'm sorry, I'm going to. I don't know if anything coming. I want to catch it. Yes.
Ah, pretty.
Good?
Yeah.
I wonder if it tastes good. I shall eat it.
We're going to eat and then go stinky. Come on, I know they're going to like the tablet, you know that. You know that? Yeah. I mean, like the tablet in morning cup. But no, you cook at them this afternoon. Go to the kitchen. Watch me, go in there. Tell me people them to have right. You left to them if they want to come.
Yeah.
And make people tell you them. Right?
That's
and
right.
If you don't know them, then can say me name tell them.
That's right.
Okay?
Yeah.
After them bite them, them a bite the red one, them all the white. Okay? Bite the red one. I want here can teach. I want to bite it out. Look at that one here.
So thank you for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. In regards to these apples, they were very, very delicious. How you like them apples? I really did like them apples. If you take a look at your screen right now, you should see like a lot of apples in a bag. That's how many apples we end up picking that day. So it's quite a lot of apples, that I should say. Definitely a few dozen apples. And I ate apples. I love eating these apples. I mean, picking the apples off the tree and just eating them, it was definitely a good experience. You know, in a lot of countries we don't have that opportunity to where we can have, you know, Jamaican apples and just pick them off a tree and eat them like that. So especially in the countryside of Jamaica, the rural section of Jamaica, you get to experience those. You know, you get to experience that a lot. So definitely a lot of apples. Whatever I couldn't eat, or whatever we couldn't eat, not just me. You know, I don't want to sound like I ate everything, but whatever we didn't eat was then used to make juice. So some very delicious juice, I might add. So, and apart from these apples, also had some mangoes as well. So here's some mangoes that I enjoyed. Yeah, some East Indian, and I think these are, what they call them, common mangoes. Yeah, East Indian mangoes. Who doesn't love some East Indian mangoes, right? Like, that's like one of my favorite mangoes is East Indian. And so definitely had some fruits, you know. And like I say, a lot of times we just got to pay for these stuff in the groceries, in the grocery store. You know, go to Publix or go to, you know, wherever grocery store, and you buy, you know, a couple mangoes, and they're charging you like $5 for like 2 mangoes. When, you know, you go to Jamaica, you can get this stuff free. It's basically falling off the trees, guys. So definitely a good experience. So but again, just want to say thank you for watching the channel. Thank you for tuning in. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and go ahead and hit that like button. I know you like the videos. All right, catch you on the next one. Bye.